Along the way, a polar bear charges from the storm, roaring, massive, territorial. The wolves scatter. Momolobo does not. The bear attacks. Momolobo meets it head-on. The clash is violent, fast, and one-sided. He beats the life nearly out of the beast, then stops. He stands over it and stares. His yellow eye locks onto the bear's gaze, a silent warning. Do not. The bear understands. It backs away slowly, stepping aside, lowering itself, acknowledging what stands before it. Not defeat, respect. The greater beast passes. After a moment, the bear turns and disappears into the storm. Momolobo continues onward. Soon, a tavern emerges through the whiteout, lights flickering weakly against the blizzard. The wolves peel away, their task complete. He had only been guiding them out of the storm.